Only 2 more hours. Isn't that exciting? Have you went to Hong Kong
Where are you going at?
Hi guys! We are going to Hong Kong and nandito na kami sa plane. We'll be staying there just for 3 days kasi mainly ang gusto lang namin is magpunta sa Disneyland. Sana maganda yung weather pagpunta namin doon.
We're here. Hong Kong. Yeah, it's a balloon. Right. Follow me never.
Please hold the handrail. Please hold the handrail during the whole journey. 请严扶己右扶手。
So, nag-avail kami ng octopus card for children. Tapos yung sa amin is Go Time. Go Time na lang yung sa amin.
Hurry. That's the thing. Look at what we got here. Zach.
Nakalabas na kami ng airport and dito na kami sa bus and we're on our way to our hotel. This is the A21 bus. Doon kami bababa sa Nathan Road, sa Nathan Hotel, and then we will walk 2 minutes papunta sa Eton Hotel. Yeah.
Let's go.
Room tour tayo, guys. We're staying here at Eton HK Hotel. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung bathroom. May full-size mirror here and ito yung sink. May towels. Merong mga toothbrush. And ito yung toilet. Merong shower dito. And merong bathtub. Walang bidet, guys.
Hello, I need the water.
Ano?
Help me.
Ano? Ano?
Bye, bye, bye.
There's a choice kung gusto niyo 2 single beds or 1 double bed here. May coffee, water. May table dito. TV. No way, nagda-drawing na agad eh. And may single bed here and couch.
I want coffee.
May closet here. Ayan, may laundry bag. May bathrobe. May slippers. May... Ang ingay mo. Ano to? On your nose?
Yeah. See?
Here's a raindrop.
The restaurants.
No.
Wow.
Ha?
Bakit di malamig?
Hey guys, we're here at U1G Dumpling. So, dito kami magde-dinner. Along Nathan Road lang din. 10 minutes walk from our hotel. So, nag-order na kami and dinintay lang namin yung orders namin. Mahirap lang kasi medyo hindi kami magkaintindihan sa order kasi hindi siya nag-English at hindi kami marunong magsalita ng language dito. Pero mukhang nakuha naman ng maayos yung order namin. So, yan yung dumplings. Dumplings yan. Saan yung sauce? Ay, dun yata ang sauce. So, here's our food. Ito yung noodles. Parang maanghang siya. And this. Let's eat. Parang maanghang siya. Bakit may ganito? Kanina naman wala. Sa picture naman wala. Wala na naman sila. Hindi naman pala siya spicy. You want noodles, baby? No?
Yes.
Huh? Yes?
Hindi siya mananomi. Ano kaya to?
Ano yan? Toge.
This is not spicy.
Ah, baby. Lapit ikaw, lapit. Ang sarap.
Mahang.
Ha? Manghang ba? Hindi naman. Oh, wait.
yung pagkakas.
Lagyan mo ako din. Dalawa lang siguro. Yung lutong-luto. Dalawa lang.
American bacon.
Damihan mo sa... Ay, bigyan mo ng plate yung dalawa. Maghawa kayo ng plate niyo. Luncheon meat. Sausage. Baked beans. Richard. Boiled egg. Hash browns. May mash. Okay yan. Oatmeal. Ay, ano to? Purple cabbage. Chicken breast with tomato sauce. Yogurt. Kuhanan natin sila. Mango. Yogurt. Croissant. I want croissant. Walang rice.
Sabi, baka matuto.
Ano to? Ay! Oh, may ganito. Paano yan? Paano lutuin?
Okay, parang gano'n lang.
Nasaan ang plate?
Ha?
Fruits. Ano to? Ano to? Finish rice with chili. Ha? Nasaan? Ayan. Sige, mamaya na. Kakainin ko muna to. Kasi magpapagawa ako dun ng soup mamaya. Waan ko kaya nakain ng dalawa. Crystallized. Wow, may fruits siya.
Wow, watermelon.
Ano ka mo ha? May mga dumplings pala dito. Girl, paano makukuha nito? This one? Yeah. Yeah. O kaya, gusto mo ng ganito? Yeah. Tara. It's making waffles. Noe, do you want that? Do you want this one?
What is it?
I think that's the egg puff. You want? Want that?
Maybe.
Thank you. You're already full. One lang para ma-taste mo lang. Na?
That's syrup, mommy.
Yeah. Maple syrup.
I want that.
Ha?
I want that.
Condensed milk, peanut butter. Ito. Whipped cream. Let's eat, guys. This is the Astor. Ito yung breakfast buffet ng Eton HK Hotel.
Wait na sabihin ha. Hindi kasi ito kumakain ng ano.
Ay, parehas ang dalawa ni Savia.
Pag nagbabaon na sa school, pinapabilog. Ito na anak, lalagay ko siya.
Hindi dapat may pangkat ka.
Ha?
Oo nga, pangkat.
Ayun, ganun lang ano, ipe-press. Ang dami mo muna mo nilagay niya.
Mabubuhay na ako sa noodles.
Right?
Anong kukunin mo, Savia? Nutella bread. Nutella bread!
Yeah, it's yellow.
Half lang or sambo?
Halfy lang. Halfy.
Hindi na ilagay sa plato.
We also have breads here, muffins, sourdough bread, and this is over here. Sabi ba ito kayo? No. Oh, may buns din. We also have coffee here, may Milo, chocolate drink, cappuccino, milk. We also have fresh juice station, cucumber, pineapple, watermelon. Watermelon sa inyong dalawa? Kuha tayo. Ah, kuha ka mo.
Watermelon.
Tapat mo doon. Ito palang water, anak. Gusto mo water or watermelon? Ay, grapefruit to. Wala, ito na watermelon. Okay, ha? Be careful. Kukuha ko ng water. Dito tayo sa detox water. Wow! Talaga. Ha?
Mommy, are you here?
Yeah.
Saw her at the terminal with a sign close and personal. I see her face light up. She's a light. Structure on the careful up by one. Chasing out the sun, runs from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time. Looking at my light. Don't say you just fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time.
Nandito na kami sa Hong Kong Disneyland.
Disneyland report.
Ha?
Hong Kong Disneyland report.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain yet so ambivalent? When it's time we shoot, it's so innocent. Blue sky on the back of a bench. Now we could go and let's make a laugh. Supernovas blow.
Can I see? It's her first time in Disneyland. Look at you. Can I see your badge? Wow! First time in Disneyland.
Now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
Backpack. No, wait lang. Headband. Saan na tayo headband? Sabia! Ha? Ito pala yung 20th anniversary souvenir. Ayan. So, 59 Hong Kong dollar siya. Hey, cute! Bag charm. Kami pa dito, oh. Oh. Di ba ang dami pa? Meron din dito. Na ano? Pero magkano siya? Teka lang. Ang bigat! Ang bigat niya, Bia! It's heavy. Sasakit ang ulo mo dyan.
Sasakit ang ulo mo anak dyan. Baka mamaya sabi.
Wag yan.
Mabigat.
It's heavy. Ano to? Spider-Man. Wow! Rapunzel. Rapunzel yan, di ba?
But it's not purple, Mommy.
Or this one. This one is pink. It's pink. This one. Ito. 129. Ha? Ayaw mo nito? Chloe, oh. Cute to. Ang cute nito, black lang. Ayaw mo black? How about this one, red? Ito. You don't want this? Ayaw mo ito?
Hey, here.
Ang cute, no? Zach, patingin.
Is it a toy?
Oh, it's so cute.
Gusto ko ito.
Ay, may ano siya sa loob.
Can I see that?
Which one?
Oh, you can take
That which one?
that.
Would you like to cut all those cards?
Yes, please.
But that's not cutting the refund in those things.
Okay.
Altogether $507. You can pay by card.
Check natin yung mga Duffy and Friends na merch. Yeah, it's so cute. Look, Noe, oh. Ito, Noe, si Lina Bell. Lina Bell.
Selena.
Lina Bell. Lina Bell. Look. Look at them. They're so cute.
Lena the cutest in the group.
This is Duff.
That's Dove.
That's Duffy.
Shelly.
Yeah. That's Duffy and Friends. Dami pa pala dito. Anak, oh, meron pa doon. Oh.
Wala ng tags.
Ha?
Ito.
Hindi na pwede. Pero okay na yan. Maganda na to. This one is cute, Bia. Oh.
Mas ma-favorite.
Ah!
Mommy, mas ma-favorite ko si Elsa. Top favorite.
Gusto ko ng sweater. Ang cute! Ang cute nito sa airport. Ganda nito sa airport, anak. This is 399 Hong Kong dollars. Yung mga accessories. My earrings. Ay, look here. No, here. Diba? Eh, that's cute.
Inside of this!
What? Ay, si ate. Tama si ate.
Ay, ka, Zoe. Yung dalawa. Yung dalawa. Ay, ka muna. Solo. Solo muna siya.
Sobrang init dito sa Disneyland. It's 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Pero ilaban natin to.
No, like I mean my heart.
Tama ko si Sam. Yung pala yun ako. Parang ka na.
I wanna go to Small World.
Okay.
Yay! Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
But mommy, before sa Nickelodeon, hindi tayo nang throw up not
We're going to the world of Frozen.
the world frozen. Full of memories.
Ah, sila? I'm having lunch at the Royal Market Hall. A bit of chicken, rice, with Sprite, sa kanyang mixed grilled, with rice and Fanta. Eat, let's eat. Sobrang daming tao. No, we have fries. You want fries? Why? Only chicken? Dalawa lang in order ko na pang-order. Tapos isa-share na lang namin sa kids. Kasi sobrang dami nito kahit na akong dito kung mauubos.
Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Disneyland. Si Zachary nasa Tangipin, dalawang kasama naming dentist at saka dalawang nurse. Pero wala pong magawa sa sakit ng ngipin. Sama sakit? Masakit ba? Baka masasabi mo. Anong masasabi mo? Ay, anong masasabi mo? What can you say? What can you say to Zachary?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Mia, what can you say?
Huh?
What can you say kay Zachary sa sakit ng ngipin?
It's not my problem.
That's so mean.
Woo! Ang ganda naman ng camera niya.
I know it's
Let's go. Oh, anak, sakay. Hawak sa mami. Go. That scared you? Welcome. There's Tomorrowland.
Mapapasyal tayo. Mapapasyal tayo.
Cinderella, no? Cinderella.
Wow! Hi, Cinderella!
Wow!
Where are we going?
Ha?
Going that way?
Yeah.
Going that way?
No, we look.
Mamaya, mababasa tayo ng iba.
That's Mexico.
Play delivery? Ate, dito. Good ka.
India.
Who's that on the bahay kubo? Yan, bahay kubo. Yan ba yung bahay kubo?
Oo.
Yan ang sabi ng Philippines. Ah. Dos.
No, that's Tagalog.
Tagalog.
What inside?
I'm holding Pungaga. Who's that? Ang gagawin mo ngayon?
I'm not doing anything.
What you gonna be watching?
I don't know.
I don't know, the Lion King.
And then Frozen.
Yeah.
Stars have arrived. Now the show can really start, huh? Oh, Timon, look at all these people. I should have had my fur cleaned.
Hey, howdy, hey! My name is Woody. You think playing with toys is fun?
Sabihan, Noe. Noe. Noe, Via. Via. Noe.
For my sister's magic night.
Kanta! No rules for me! Kanta! Oh my God! Ano yun? Oh, what are we doing now? Oh, look at that! Mami, Mia.
Daddy, you want drop your phone?
Now, a party needs a joyful sound. A little magic makes music extra sweet.
Mayangin ka na, Win. Para sa mukha.
这个好精彩啊！
Can you see it? Galinda. Wala ko si Galinda. Ha? Si Galinda ba yan? Disney? Tabea. Tabea.
Hey guys, good morning. It's our last day here in Hong Kong and magbe-breakfast kami now here sa The Astor in Eton Hotel. Our agenda for today is Avenue of Stars, basta dun sa TST. Malapit lang siya dito, isang station lang. Itong Eton Hotel is nasa Yau Ma Tei Station. So, after naman doon, punta kami sa Mongkok, like sa Ladies Market. Then, mamaya 7 p.m. yung aming flight to Manila. Nandiyan si Nadek, nakita niyo?
Hindi lang sila pinapo sa dalawa.
Ito, breakfast ko, fried rice. Tapos, fish sticks, bacon, mushroom. Tapos, mamaya kukuha ko ng noodles. And watermelon juice and detox water. Second batch ng food ko. Noodles.
For me, thank you.
We're here at 7-Eleven at ibibili lang ng food ang mga kids. Anak, masarap to oh, yung onigiri.
Giri.
Ang gusto nyo?
Sabi kay mami.
Ano yan? Ano to?
So yummy.
Isa pa. Gusto ko din.
Ano one?
Onigiri. Ako ka na yun. We're here na sa Victoria Harbor. Hindi na kami pupunta pala sa Avenue of Stars. Kasi mainit. Kaya dito na lang. Same lang din naman ang view. Dito sa Victoria Harbor, dito yung light show paggabi. So, here's the view. Konting picture lang, tapos alis na ulit. Hi guys, we're here at the Cultural Center. Like picture-picture lang namin. Tapos aalis na.
And we walked all the way here.
Yeah,
No
and
bus,
it's so hot.
nothing.
Oh, what? Nag-train tayo.
Just one.
Ito palang Yatlok restaurant is awarded with 1 Michelin star for 11 consecutive years. So, siguro, masarap talaga dito. Let's try. Sobrang daming tao. Pero in and out lang. So, mabilis lang din. Walang pila sa labas. This is the medium crispy pork. And this is the Yatlok roasted goose.
Ay pala mainit, na dito pala lutuan.
Yeah. So, we order the Yatlok roasted goose. And ano pa ba yung isa? Yung medium crispy pork. Yes? Yes.
That's why I told you that's real.
We're here at Yatlok.
Yeah, look.
It's a Michelin guide restaurant. Nakakapagod pumunta dito. Sobrang uphill siya. Hey guys, we're here at Ladies Market. Kahanap lang kami ng souvenir. Ha? Wag kang hawak ng hawak ha. Hey guys, so we're here at the Airport Express train. We're heading now to the airport. Did you enjoy their visit to Hong Kong?
Yes. I loved it there because we went to Hong Kong Disneyland.
What did you like about Hong Kong Disneyland?
The Frozen ride.
The Frozen Ever After.
Yeah. It went down so fast that water lily splashed me. Nothing else.
What else did you like sa Disneyland?
I liked the time when we...
Did you like your headband?
Yes, and I also liked the show about Lion King. Yeah. It took long and it turned night when it was over. That's all I remembered. And we went to It's a Tiny World, and then we went to Tomorrowland.
Dito na kami sa airport and we're doing the self-check-in. We're here na.
Dapat dahan-dahan dahil magsutsupot.
Lapit na kami mag-boarding. Kumain lang muna ng wontons here sa airport. Inuubos lang namin yung mga Hong Kong dollars namin na cash tsaka yung laman ng octopus card. Ito na yan sa gilid. Yummy. Smile! Noe. Yes. Yeah. Tabi, babe. Kita din ako.